Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression and it contains the basic operation plus multiplication, division and subtraction. So we have to solve this expression and find out which answer is correct. So here we have in the answer list four answers 18, 28. So we have to find out which answer is correct after solving it. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards to understand like how you can solve this expression using rule, which is BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. So as you can see on the screen, like we have here two rules. We have multiple rules, but here we are discussing only two rules and it depends on basically they both are same basically they are using in different regions. So we talk about BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. So rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent part or power. Any number has the power or root. So you have to solve that part next. After that, you have to go in your expression left to right and find out division and multiplication. Actually, division and multiplication has similar precedence. So you can solve division first if it is coming first. And you can solve the multiplication first if it is coming first. So similarly for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first if we are going left to right. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Either we are using BODMAS or PEMDAS. It is not necessary to solve the you cannot say like I'm using the PEMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication first. Or someone says like I'm using that BODMAS, so I will use the division first. No, it is not true. Both has similar precedence. So you can solve according to left to right rule. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have a simple expression 20 plus 30 divided by 5 multiplied by 3 minus 10. So here some people do some mistake. We will discuss it when we are solving. So first you have to go see bracket. So in our expression, we do not have any bracket. So we can skip this part. Now we will see the exponent and power. So fortunately, we do not have any power. So now we will go left to right. So now we will go left to right. And now we will see division and multiplication. So if you go left to right, so you will solve that part first. And you cannot say like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve this one. Or someone says like I'm using the PEMDAS, so I will solve this one. No, we will go left to right and solve this part first. So here we will write 20 plus 30 divided by 5 equals to 6. Multiply by 3 minus 10. Now we can give the reference to understand each step. So here we will write 30 divided by 5 equals to 6. Now, again, we have to go left to right and see the multiplication and division. Now we will go and see we have this multiplication. So now we will solve this part. So we will go 20 plus 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18 minus 10. So here we will give the reference like this step we are solving. So we will say 6 3 the 18. Now, again, we have to go left to right and see the multiplication and division. So now our expression does not contain any multiplication and division. So now we will move forward and see addition and subtraction. So when we will go left to right, so we will see we have this addition first. Then like 20 plus 18. So it means that we have, 38 because 20 plus 18 equals to 38. And now we will write minus 10. And again, we will give the reference here. So here we have 20 80 plus 18 equals to 38. Now, Again, we will go left to right, and only we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will write 32, 38 minus 8, 10, which is equals to 28. So the answer of this expression is 28. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very easily using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule and get the correct result. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So thank you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, we have added one another English quiz, so you can solve that quiz as well and get the score and give the in comment box like how uh, much score you get. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.